Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the trending video effects in CapCut for PC. So in CapCut for PC, you can also use the trending video effects that is currently so many CapCut users used. So in this case, what you guys need to do is you can just go to effects at the top right here and then find the trending category. So this one's right here, and these are the list of trendings category that you can use. So you can see there are so many trendings, and then if you want to use it, you can just click on the effects. Okay, so click on effects first. Just wait until the effect is fully downloaded to your CapCut for PC, and then next click on the plus ones right here to add it to track, and then you can just adjust the duration until the end of your video like this, and your video will have the trending video effects like this. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye.